In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted your Instagram account and 30 days have passed, then it means that Instagram account is now permanently deleted. And in order to recover such permanently deleted Instagram account, what you need to do is to open your internet browser. Click on the search option, and in the search bar, you need to type instagram.com/support. Click on search. Now click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then tap on manage your account. Click on the first option. Scroll down and below this was this helpful tab, select no and then click on other. Now in this box, you need to briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I am writing here. I'll also put this paragraph in the description below so you guys can just copy paste it from there. Also at the end of the paragraph, do not forget to mention your username and email address that was linked with your deleted Instagram account. Once you have done that, tap on submit. And after you click on submit, within the next 24 hours, your permanently deleted Instagram account will be recovered. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.